Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be a review, and it's going to be a big one. We have this enormous box. It's from AOMAIS. I really hope I'm saying that right. This is the AOMAIS Life 30-watt Bluetooth speaker, and it is a pretty hefty box. See, this is kind of what the speaker looks like. Not too much info on the back, nothing on the sides, and your regulatory on that side. So let's flip this over, undo this, open it up. We have this little bag right here. In the bag you get a aux cable, USB-A to USB micro B to charge, and they were even generous enough to give a power brick. So that is awesome. Another power brick to add to my collection.
A fine addition to my collection.
You also get some literature. You get warranty and a quick start guide, which we don't need to look at because I'm going to be telling you pretty much everything that will tell you and more. And this is the speaker itself. So let's take it out. Box over there. Styrofoam ends also over there. This is the speaker, and just for relative size comparison, that's an iPhone X. This is a very large speaker. You have two large drivers here, two smaller ones here, and then around the back you have this big one, which I would assume is like a woofer or subwoofer or something of that sort. Also on the back you have your aux in, your power in, and a power out. This has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery inside of this, and you can siphon that through this port to charge other devices. On the top you have two LEDs here, one of them's red, one of them's blue. You have this, I don't know, reconnect button. I couldn't figure out what this is. I'm sure I could look at the document and it'll tell me. You have volume down, volume up, Bluetooth pairing, and power. And then all around the outside of the speaker you have this really nice fabric, really soft to the touch. And then the face and rear of the speaker, this is wood. This is actual wood. This is bamboo. So very premium looking, premium feeling speaker. So I guess we'll answer the question that you're probably all asking. How does it sound? Turn it on, it starts pairing, and it's paired. Paired to the phone? Yes. Okay, so we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to go half volume, happy life, and we're going to skip to the good part. Back it up, and we're gonna go full volume all the way up, and here we go. Very loud. Very clear too. Very loud, very clear. I think it honestly has more low end than high end because I could feel it, and I'm about 2-3 feet away from it. I could feel the bass. A lot of things on my table back here were shaking and vibrating. Very loud speaker, and that is to be expected from the size. It's also 30 watts. It's got 5 or 6 separate drivers in there. So overall, this is a incredible speaker. It looks nice. It feels nice. It honestly kind of smells nice if you get in there and give it a sniff, and it sounds amazing. Now honestly, in my opinion, this isn't even priced all that bad for what you're getting. It's about $60 right now, and I know that sounds like a lot, and it might be, but this is a great speaker. It's big, it's loud, it looks and feels amazing. It's even got a power bank in it if you want to use it for that. Definitely worth that $60. This wasn't sent to me. I purchased this with my own money. Great purchase. great find, Past Jake. You did a great job. So I'll have this linked down in the description below. I can't recommend this enough. This is definitely my favorite Bluetooth speaker, and I've tested quite a few. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications with the bell icon while you're down there. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.